How to sign in Janitor AI. So if you want to sign in to your Janitor AI, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Janitor AI, and after searching here you will have janitor.com, and after searching here you will have janitorai.com, and here you will have login. Click on that login, and now you can log in with your Google, or you can log in with your Twitter or your Discord. So I'll be entering my email address, and then here on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can click on forgot password, and then you need to enter your email address so that you will receive a link or a code to your email address to reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Janitor AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.